Okay, start again tayo. Okay. Another one is save money and other resources. Okay. Allow repetition with variation. Allow observation of complex and process. Those are the simulations. Okay. What are the limitations? Sige, criticism of virtual lab software. Yes, dahil nga siya ay talagang alam nyo kasama siya sa tinatawag nating virtual presentation. Okay, yung talagang pag nakita siya ng mga mata ay mahahalina ka. Parang ganon. So, sometimes, dahil hindi naman ganon tayo kahusay, in terms of technology, may mga pagkakamali tayong na, pero I will accept it kasi hindi naman kayo programmer, hindi kayo analyst, so yan. So, accuracy of models. Yes. Sometimes yung mga model, minsan yung aso nagiging pusa. So, masyadong tayo doon. Hindi nila malaman kung aso o pusa iyon o kaya wolf or fox. May pagka, wolf or aso. Hindi, magkapareha sila yung wolf at aso hindi. Yung wolf kasi nangangain ng tao, yung aso hindi. Okay. Yung aso ang kinakain ng tao. Okay. Misuse of simulations. Yes. Alam naman natin na sometimes natin siya, hindi natin siya nagagamit ng tama. Okay. Example is the biolabsoftware.com and the nationalism. Okay, so you can visit this too. Maganda po ito. Next one is the instructional games. We know that instructional games, okay, sa instructional games, pwede tayo diyang gumawa via PowerPoint presentation also, okay? So, how to selecting? So, appealing formats and activities. Okay, syempre, yung kapag sinabing instructional games, dapat yung formats niya, yung graphics niya, yung design ay dapat applicable ko dun sa mga bata, okay? Instructional value. Ano bang kayang gawin ng instructional games na yon? Bakit siya kailangan ng viewers na paulit-ulit na bisitahin? Paulit-ulit na gawin. Bakit kaya So, kailangan alam natin yung value ng gagawin nating instructional games. The physical dexterity is reasonable. Okay, so the purpose of motivating the student should be evident in the instructional game and not the other way around. Okay, example nito for students with physical challenges, the focus of the game should be learning content area skills rather than physical dexterity. Okay, ito yung ang ginagamit talaga natin ay lang, eyes and this hindi nyo pala nakikita this kamay next is the social, societal and cultural consideration. So instructional games should highlight positive messages rather than war and violence. Kapag sinabing instructional games, hindi siya yung patayan syempre ang ibibigay nyo dun sa mga bata kung siya ay pwede siyang kapag nilaro nila to, bibilis silang mag-type. Kapag nilaro nila to, gagaling sila sa math, o kaya masasaulo nila yung multiplication. Okay, yun. Next one, the benefits are makes learning more engaging and motivational. Yes, of course. Kapag ba naglaro sila ng instructional games na ginawa nyong yun, magiging kaya sila, yung parang mamomotivate kaya, mai-engage kaya, mapupurso kaya sila na, ay gusto ko pang mag-aral ng mathematics kasi ang saya-saya pala. Okay? Yun yung kailangan nating ipalabas when we are creating instructional games. Okay? So, what are the limitation and problems? So, learning versus having fun. Yes. Madalas ito, okay, out of 100 students, 85 students yung tinatawag nating hindi sila nakakapag-focus sa learning, kundi nasisiyahan sila, ay nananalo ako, mabilis nananalo na ako. So, nalilimutan nila yung tinatawag na learning. Next is confusion of games and real life rules. Okay? Next, and efficient learning. Then, classroom barriers. Okay. So, example of this is the www.spar.com. Okay, next is the problem solving software. Okay, so the problem should be challenging to bring out the level best in the student. Problem solving software, aray ko. So, siya naman yung tinatawag nating, ito yung software that we develop the skills of the students in solving various kinds of content area problem. Okay, so this software should also have the feature that would keep the interest of the students in moving on in solving problems. Okay, the problem should be challenging to be challenging to bring to bring out the level best in the students. Para kumbaga, uy, ano kaya yung next step nito? Dapat galingan ko, ganon. Ganon dapat, ano? So, the benefits are foster better understanding and visualization of abstract and concepts. Okay? So, those are the problem-solving software next. Isa na. Okay, the limitations and problems. Effectiveness, ano? The effectiveness for problem-solving software, suitability and learning strategy of students. Yes. Okay, criticalthinking.com is the example. Next one is the software support tools, which is improve efficiency and productivity, enhance product appearance, more precise and aptness of information, more support for collaboration. Yes, that is the support. Next, the software supports tools are the material generators, the data collection analysis tools, the graphic tools, planning and organizing tools, research and reference tools, and content. Okay, content area tools. Okay, I have here the materials generators that allow the creation of documents, web pages, tests, and various lessons and activities. You can capture it by your own. Palalakihin ko ba? Wait. Palalakihin ko siya. Para makita nyo. Okay? Okay, wait. Ayan. So, ito yung that one ay tinatawag nating materials generators. Ito yung allow creations of documents, web pages, tests, and various lessons and activities. May guhit yung Easy Test Maker ko. And then, the rubric builder. Okay? The rubric maker, may guhit din kasi nagamit ko na siya. Okay? Next one. Okay, example of software tools, ayan. May worksheets and puzzle generators. You can visit those sites. Mas maganda kung mabisita nyo siya. Okay? Okay, next is the data collection and analysis tools. Ito yung collect data from students, support decision making, analyze the data from experiments, and research. Okay, Microsoft Access. Class, kapag gagamit kayo ng Microsoft Access, parang you need a genuine Microsoft Office. Okay? Okay, yan. Para sa survey. Yes, I use the Survey Monkey. Next one. The exam builder. Ginamit ko yan. Computer test 2.0. Yes. Easy test. Yes, of course. The smart response. Then, ayan. The graphic tools allow teachers and students to enhance the illustrations to be placed on documents, flyers, brochures, newsletters, and web pages. Okay? So, ito ay, di ba pinagagawa ko kayo ng website? Okay? You can edit the photo here in Adobe Photoshop or in Photo Manager. Pero hindi itong image editing software, hindi siya